If you do exactly what I share with you in today's video, you have the potential to make up to $250 every single day, all by using this one app on your smartphone, no matter where in the world you are, and you don't need any upfront investment to start. But listen, this will require some work and effort. This isn't some scam pyramid scheme that's going to make you rich quick. What I'll share with you is a real working method that you can start making money with today. With that said, let's get into the video, shall we? What is going on, guys? Paul James here. Welcome to today's video. Let me ask you a question. Would you like to earn $250 using nothing but this, your cell phone? Well, that's exactly what we're going to talk about in today's video. I've got a super cool tutorial coming up for you, and I don't want to waste any time. We're going to dive right into it. But I do want to let you know that somewhere in this video, I'm going to be giving another bonus app that you can also use. So you could use this app to make $250 a day I'm going to share with you. And then there's another bonus app I'm going to share with you where you can make up to $1,400. Okay, so stay tuned for that. Let's dive in and break this method down. So we're here on my computer screen again because we are going to be using this site, Craigslist, and I use this site a lot because it is a great, valuable resource of people who are looking to just give you money. If you're willing to spend the time to look, you will for sure find someone on here who's willing to give you money. You can in fact look back at my other videos where we talk about this site, and there's a lot of people who comment saying that they've had results with this. So I'm excited to share this with you with a brand new strategy. Now, what we are looking for, you can go to any Craigslist, and it doesn't matter if you are not in the United States. A lot of people ask me, will this work worldwide? Do I have to spend money to do this? And the answer is yes, this will work worldwide. Just because I'm targeting this Craigslist, you could target any Craigslist you want. Even if you're, let's say, in India and you want to target the United States, that's fine. And yes, you can get started with this method for free. So let's jump in. Now, I am on this Craigslist, but you can see there's lots of nearby Craigslist on the screen that I could go to. You can also just click here, US states, and it'll show you all the different states. We have Canada here, and then Craigslist Worldwide, they have some other ones. But like I said, if you don't see yours on there, just pick one of the big cities in the US. And this is what you want to do next. You're going to head down to this section under the gigs section right here. And what we're looking for is the computer gigs section. Sometimes you'll find this under creative too. But lately I've been finding most of the people who want to give us money under this section right here. Now, you just want to come and browse through as many of these as possible. And like I said, the bigger cities are great because there's a lot more people posting, but on the downside, there's probably more competition. So just check as many cities as you want. You know, the more work you're willing to put into this, the better results you're likely to have, right? So I look for anything that says like social media marketing. Here's one that says need help with social media, anything like that. Graphic design stuff, and I'll explain to you why. But let's look at this one, social media marketing. So we are in need of someone who's self-employed or underemployed that is looking to support several existing businesses in social media. This is a great opportunity, by the way. It's not exactly what we're talking about in this video, but I talk a lot about helping local business owners, and I'll leave a link in the description of the video to a workshop that you can check out that covers more about this stuff when you do find posts like this, but that's not what we're talking about in this video. So let's move on to the next one. Help with social media. What does this one need? Let's see. They're looking for help to write a GoFundMe campaign. So this is not exactly what we're looking for either. Professional and experienced website social media creator. This is what we are looking for. Check this out. I'm looking to hire someone with social media experience to help with the Facebook page and Twitter profile. This will include a logo. Okay, and that will be extra. They're going to pay you extra for the logo, $250. This is exactly what we're looking for. Now, this is another big project. They're willing to pay up to $6,000 if you want to help out with social media too. But let's just say that you decide you want to help out with just the logo. So you're going to go through, you're going to find some people like this. This is what we're looking for. Next, you're going to download some apps on your phone. You could just use one app. Let me put my phone on the screen for you so you could see that. We're using an app right now called Logo Maker. Now, there are tons of apps like this on the App Store. I'm not sponsored or affiliated with these guys. This is just one of the first ones I found. But again, there's tons of them. Leave a comment below if you have a favorite Logo Maker app that you like to use. But what we're going to do right now is we're going to go through and we're going to create some sample logos, because we don't want to respond to this Craigslist post without having some sample logos. And don't worry if you're not a graphic designer, because these apps basically do it for you. So what you have up here is a section called logos, and you can see if you want a logo about shoes, games, clothing, musicians, health and fitness, medical, fashion, YouTube, cleaning, music. I mean, it goes on and on and on. But let's just say that you found someone who was a medical spa, or how about a nutritionist? Here, let's click this green meal one. What we could do is we could come up with a logo for a nutritionist here. And we could go and we could edit this however we wanted. We could change the font to whatever we want it to be. So you're able to edit this entirely and make it your own. Like we could say, let's just pick a city nearby, Brookfield Health or something like that. So there we go. We've kind of like created a more unique logo. Maybe I want to change the font to make it a little more bold. Boom. I've just made my own logo. Now, I can go then and I can save this logo to my phone, and I could go and create a couple more just like this. Now, I could even pick cities or like companies in these cities and kind of recreate their logo so that I have samples of my work. The other thing I could do, if you wanted to just be generous in the process, you could find like nonprofit organizations who need a logo, and you could definitely go and like create a logo for them. And again, give it to them and then use the sample as your portfolio. But then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to pull back open Craigslist, and you're going to want to hit reply on here, and you're going to want to reach out to this person. You're going to say, hey, my name is so-and-so. Here's some samples of my work. I saw you were looking for a logo. Here's some samples of my work. Check them out. If you like what you see, get back to me and I can have your logo to you within 24 hours. Now that is going to be something that really grabs their attention, because people are excited to get going. And if you tell them that you'll help them get going within 24 hours so that they can get on with their day and they can get their business going, that's going to be something that stands you apart from the competition. And when you're using one of these apps, like I just showed you, obviously 24 hours is no big deal. Another thing you might want to include when you reach out to these people is you might want to say something like, I'll give you 5 revisions or something like that, because that's going to get their attention too. People don't want to worry about, what if I don't like it? What if I don't like the logo? So those are 2 things that can make you stand out. And that app is really, really helpful. Now, I wanted to let you also know that Webull, which is a stock market app, they are giving away 2 free stocks, but it ends at the end of this month. So I want to make sure that you get in on those stocks before it actually ends, because I would hate to have you miss out on that. And they're valued anywhere from $10 to $1,400. So I'll leave a link in the description for that, because that's just another app that you can also use to make some money. And hey, if you're looking for other ways to make money as well, other apps, I'm going to put a link here to 5 apps that I think are some of the best apps to make money with. And hey, if you're not subscribed yet to me on YouTube, I will leave a link to do that as well right here. Go subscribe to me, take the bell notification icon. I will update you every time I post a new video. I will see you in another video. I am Paul James. Peace out.